What's up YouTube, my name is Javi and this channel is DIY Music and Videos, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a little illness that I'm having right now, and a few years ago I already had it. It's vertigo. It's a tough thing. I mean, yeah, I can't be completely horizontal because it's like I feel dizzy and I want to puke and so on, and so that I went to the doctor. She was a female that gave me these pills. I just took the first one, and also she gave me this for my nose, and I have to spray it like 2 times on each side. She said that I'm a little bit cold and that will help me because, you know, when you have vertigo, you lose your balance and it's quite awful. When you have vertigo, you feel really dizzy. It's a piece of shit. I hope that you never have this illness. By the way, uh, this package has arrived from China, I guess. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. And bam! Here it is. Thank you for purchasing X-Source Small Gadgets, Great Value. Here it is. As you can see, I got my light here and there, so you will see it better from here. It has a rubber plasticky thing and some switches so you can turn it on and off wherever have you want. You got, hope you can see it, like plastic hairs, and it doesn't weigh at all. It's USB 3, by the way. It comes with a socket to plug it to the AC power, because otherwise you can't power the components like a hard drive or so on. It might work with a mouse and a keyboard and so on, but not with some of the more demanding devices. Let's try it and see if it works. I'm going to plug it for the very first time and let's see if it works. Okay, so it has some LEDs to mark which port is working. Okay, the lights goes on and off with no problem. Then I hear something. Let's check the notifications. Oh, it's a firewall, no problem. So let's try, as they are currently off right now. Nothing. Then I switch on. It's just a USB, so no problem. Okay, let's plug this mouse. Something hitting the let's see, not working. I switch on and bam, it works, no problem. Let's see with another like this hard drive. Oh, first this USB pen drive. No problem at all. Let's plug this external hard drive. Okay. Right now I have 4 things plugged. All okay. Let's plug this cork nanopath, which is collecting some dust, serious dust. Let's see. And working. Let's see if it really works or just lights up. And then I'm going to open the Cubase. Okay. So it's working perfect. So what else I could plug? I'm not sure. Oh well, okay. Too many things plugged in to my new 7 ports hub, so not sure if it's going to work, but we are going to find out. Anyway, okay, I've got this cable here. If it works without the AC adapter, I'm going to be really impressed with this USB hub. Switch on, and then bam, it works. I can't believe it. Let me try it. Cubase again. Okay. So I will open this thing to check that the card is working. I might need, oh yeah, these headphones. So to check that the interface is working, I'm going to use these headphones, and let's see, devices. Here I need to switch to USB. Okay, change. Let's see. It works. Okay. It works. I guess that for the price that I've paid for this thing, I'm really happy because I can plug almost everything I need. And I mean, in fact, I do have some more sockets to plug anything if I ever need it. Sorry. So I guess that this is a really nice thing that So I guess that is a really nice piece of gear that you must check it out. I will give you the links in the description below. Anyway, obviously I'm not affiliated and this is not a commercial video. I'm not getting paid for promoting this device. Anyway, I guess that it works really nice, because I have this other one that I bought it from AliExpress or something like that, like 1 or 2 years ago, and this thing doesn't work at all. I mean, yeah, you can use it to use a mouse and so on, but you can't use with hard drives. And I mean, yeah, I paid only $1, but anyway, this is really nice. You should get one, okay? I'm thinking of doing a long time review after a few weeks or months of using this thing, but I mean, I paid only $5. Right now you can pick one for $10, so I guess that it's really nice. I hope that you enjoyed this video. In this case, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, I'm so sorry. Give me 2 thumbs down, and hope to see you later again. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to my latest videos. So have a nice day.